non-discounting method of evaluating or calculating or applying capital budgeting techniques. So in these two, first one is ARR, that is also known as accounting rate of return or average rate of return. The formula is very simple: average income, total of the income divided by average investment opening plus closing divided by 2, and PVP, the year where we get the recovery of entire investment what we did for any kind of project or investment. If it is falling between two different years, then we have to follow this formula which we have applied during last 2 3 example which we have done. So we did illustration which was there in the textbook. Illustration one, there were two different projects because today and we have seen here the outflow of cash was 4 lakh. Here the outflow of cash was 5 lakh. So here the PVP was 3 years, and for B project it is 2.67 years. So what we have concluded, the B is better project as far as PVP calculation, payback period calculation is concerned. Then we have also understood the discounted PVP, how it is to be calculated. Again with this, we have multiplied with them the EVIF, and we found the PVP period for both. And again we found that B is far better than uh, A project as far as payback period is concerned. There we are getting our returns faster than project B. Then we have also understood ARR, okay, average rate of return, and in that we found that again the project A was better, project B was having better feasibility as compared to project A. So this is what we have done in traditional method. Now in modern method, as I told you earlier also, we have to take into consideration uh, interest factor, right? Present value of interest factor. We have to get the present value of future money. Okay. So today we will be having all three modern method practice, and then this chapter will be over. And there will be assignment of remaining questions. So let us take this only as an example. So now I am going to teach you NPV, net present value at 10% discounting rate. Okay. So which particular project is better, whether A is better or B is better? Again, they will give you the outflow of cash, they will give you the inflow of cash, that is profit, and then accordingly we'll have to apply our formula. What is the formula here? NPV is present value of cash inflow minus present value of cash outflow. EI is present value of cash inflow divided by present value of cash outflow. This is what is given in our textbook also. Yes. So this is how the capital budgeting goes, and we have already finished this part. Now we are doing this new method. This is what is the different methodology through which we can evaluate any project, whether to invest in those projects or not. So this is all you can do the practice. This I think we have considered, and I've asked them to do the practice. And also you should know the selection criteria. If what should be higher, then we should accept the project or we should reject the project. Likewise questions. Okay. So NPV, as I told you, discounted cash inflow minus discounted cash outflow. Just now we were talking about inflow minus outflow. Discounted means again present value. And the students who have attended yesterday's two sessions, they were very much will be in a position to understand what I am explaining regarding discounted part uh, for them. Okay, they have done discounted PBP, so they understand this concept very effectively. I will go together both the things. Let us do parallelly. It will be better for us to understand. So NPV and PI goes on hand, and I told you NPV where to accept if it is positive, then you should accept. If it is negative, to be rejected. Similarly, here there are different questions which you can practice with your own. And PI also, if it is more than one, to be accept, less than one, to be reject, and likewise. Okay. So I will take this as an example for NPV and PI. So for that, I need the discounted cash flow for project A. Just multiply and get me the answer. Fifth year also. Get me the discounted cash flow for fifth year for both the projects.
93,150.
93,150. For project B,
1,24,200.
1,24,200. So what is the total present value of cash inflow for both the projects? What is the present value of cash inflow for project A and project B? And this is my present value of cash outflow. This is nothing but present value of cash outflow. Take me the total of these 5 columns. I think it is coming average आ रहा है. What is the total?
5 lakh
1 lakh 81.
81,175.
Huh?
5 lakh 81,175.
5 lakh 81,175. So if you will invest 4 lakh, you are going to get a return of at present, huh? Because this 1,50,000 you are going to get after 5 years. What is their value as it now? Only 93,000. This 2 lakh you are going to get after 4 years. What is their present value as if now? Only 1,36,000. Likewise, these are the present value. So what is the present value of total cash inflow? We got as 5,81,175. And what about this?
Sir, 8
8
lakh
lakh
86,000.
86,000.
8,86,000.
86,000.
86,000.
So these are the present value of cash inflow. Now I'll apply the formula. What is the formula for NPV? The formula goes like this: present value of cash inflow, sorry, inflow minus present value of cash out. Okay. So project A, what you are getting? 4 lakh, sorry, 5 lakh 81 175 minus 4 lakh. So it is coming 1 lakh 81 175. Project B, 8 lakh 86,000 minus 5 lakh. So it comes to 3 lakh
86,000.
86,000. So again we found comment and conclusion is project B is better than project A when it comes to NPV method. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now if we will
Yes,
go
sir.
for PI, profitability index, the formula is very simple. Again, present value of cash inflow divide by present value of cash out. Okay. So again I will go for project A and project B. Get me your answer. Just divide 5 lakh 81 175 divide by 4 lakh. How much you are getting? How much you are getting?
1.45.
1.45. And what about B?
1.77.
1.772.
1.77. So this also shows that project B is better than project A. So So all the technique, modern as well as traditional, we applied in uh, some, evaluating this project A and B, and we found that project B is far better than A. So let us take project B in spite of project A. Now, based on this, there are few questions which I would now like you to solve with your own. So take down this question. Consider the project cost is 12,500. Expected inflows are 5,100, 5,100, 5,100, 7,100 for 4 years. Compute the net present value of project if the cost of fund is 12%. Get me the NPV. I hope now you can do it. So whosoever has done, kindly help me out. Srihari. Yeah, Sri. Tell me 5,000 into this. How much you are getting?
Sir, 4549.2.
4549.
0.2.
ठीक है ना मैं फ्रैक्शन ही ले रहा हूँ देन here 5,100 into 0.797
4064.
so then 5,100 into 0.711
3626.1.
so very simple for NPV I'm going to use this formula once again yes making sense what is the total inflow
Sir, for the first year I took 0.893. Is it okay as the discounting factor?
I'm making it
So my answer is a slightly different. Matlab 4554 I am getting for
चलेगा
the
ना
first
इसमें भी
year.
893 लिया है
I rounded off basically.
हाँ it's okay ना so the answer is 4549 only no 4,549
I got 4554 when I took 0.893.
हाँ 55 okay fine so what is the total now
Sir, 7100 into 0.635 is coming 4508.
7110 हाँ
सर ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ
लास्ट
फोर्थ
वाला
वाला
हाँ
हाँ इट इज 4508 4508
4516 it is coming
Yes, sir,
okay
4516.
हाँ
Because actually the PVF is 0.636 for the fourth year. I took 0.636.
what about this 711 and 797 is
Third,
okay 797 and 711 is okay yes or no
yes, sir.
okay this calculation multiplication is okay
Yes, sir.
get me total now
Sir,
total of
total is 16,776.
16,776
776.
minus what is the outflow
12,500.
12,500
500.
so
So
this is the
4276.
4276 so in such cases we need to accept why because it is getting me positive
Accept the project.
yes so my comment and conclusion will be project is giving or more than one whatever the way you think project should be accepted project should be accepted Okay. Yes. Even though it is not asked 4226. 4226. We are getting the answer. Similar answer we got here also. अरे थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे because we have rounded off. Yes or no? But the final conclusion
Yes,
will be
sir.
the same, that it is giving positive NPV. We should accept this project. Okay. Now, even though it is not given, I would like to calculate its PI also. Why? Because that will not take much of time, and at the same time I can have the revision of both. So what I will do, in spite of minus, I will divide. So you'll get something in positive, 1 point something. Yes?
1.34.
Again, my comment and conclusion will remain same. Okay? Positive PI. PI. Therefore, yes. Okay? Making sense. Okay? Accordingly, you should write the comment. Now, please go to this illustration. Okay? Project has 25,000 as a cost. These are inflow for 5 years. Okay, NPV I should not give at the rate of 12%. Again, क्या पूछा NPV? Get me the illustration 5 done. Do it with your own.
Sir, project should be accepted as NPV is equal to 4499.
Chalo Srihari, help me with this amount. This is right, 8,930.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is right, 7,173.
5688.
इतना टाइम क्यों लगाता है? तुम लोग नोटबुक पे लिखता नहीं है क्या? This much time
5688.
it should not take.
Sir, correct.
5688.
3816.
816.
Next,
3969.
3969. So again, I will apply this.
29,576.
So yesterday we were practicing traditional method. Today we are practicing modern methods. So how much you got? PV as? How much you
Yes,
got?
sir.
So total
Yes,
is
sir.
29,576.
Huh?
29,576.
576.
29,000. Outflow was 25,000. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4,570.
4000.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
29,576. That is 1 point.
Profitability index of 1.18.
1.18.
1.18.
Okay. Got everyone? So likewise,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
in
sir.
this
Yes,
question
sir.
now you can practice. Same answer you got. Slight here and there is no problem. Chalta hai. Okay, now there are two projects, C system and F system. Okay. So we will be doing this question after this break and you immediately join, huh? So today this entire syllabus will be over.